Are you looking for an easy to use and reliable classroom timer to time activities for your class? Well, look no further. This timer is easy to use and super reliable. Try this easy to use interactive classroom timer in your classroom in just a few short clicks. To find the Twinkl Timer, simply search Timer in the Twinkl search bar and this screen will appear. Once you're on this page, click the Launch the Twinkl Timer button. When the timer opens, it will look something like this. Simply click the timer icon on the left hand side of the page and select between the Classroom Countdown Timer, Stopwatch or Enhanced Visual Timer. You can personalise the timer title, background colour and text colour with this interactive classroom timer to suit your class's situation. Take things to the next level in Enhanced Timer mode, offering a customisable visual timer which changes from green to amber and then red based on your time configuration. So, what are you waiting for? Try this customisable Twinkl Timer today. Thanks for watching.